Hey, thanks so much for the feedback. So I just wanted to go ahead and make a video to kind of highlight that. So the site pages really are irrelevant at this point. I guess I just wanted to draw people's attention to this. And in doing this, I'm actually, excuse me, I think I have some feedback for myself already. When a user registers, we don't have an onboarding process particularly to create their profile. I guess the closest thing would be edit profile. So we probably need to work on an onboarding process. But yeah, this is just the edit profile portion. A little about me, location, that sort of thing. Then once they get onboarded, I imagine they would probably see a list of tasks first. And actually, let me make this mobile first because the desktop view isn't always that great. Excuse me. So users can mark tasks as completed. They can add a new task. And bear in mind, this is, again, a mock-up, so it's not going to provide any real feedback. But yeah, can add and edit tasks, delete tasks, mark them as complete. So that'll be the next view. And then, because we just wanted to focus on features at this point, that's why this is a bit disjointed and we don't have like an app shell yet, because we wanted to get feedback on specifically the features. Apologies though, I know this is a real pain to navigate. We do have a feedback tab though for folks that are perhaps angry, sad, happy, or inspired with our app. They can provide feedback directly in it so we can continue to improve. Let's see. Users can also archive tasks, and I think that's that'll be achieved by delete task, but we should probably change the wording on that from a UX perspective to archive task. Once we archive tasks, we're working on a view kind of similar to this, where you just see, again, tasks with collapsible details and the option to restore the task. And we also wanted to do a grouping by date, like a different view for that. Initially, we were playing with the idea of the calendar view, but just for the sake of time, I think a simple list view will work for now. But yeah, pretty much the same thing there, and I don't think the modal works on this one. Nope, just a standard list view. Let's see. And then we also want to allow folks to set reminders. So we want to do like a reminders overview page as well, so folks could, or view rather, so folks could get to that. And of course, they would be able to edit reminder intervals and due dates. We already established setting up a user profile, but then users have public profiles, and we want to implement achievements and that sort of stuff into the profile. And then that also brings us to the buddy component. The reason that we're having the public profile to begin with is we want users to be able to search by username or location, try to find maybe other ADHD users in their city to feel like they're not so alone in the area. So they can go ahead and add the buddy, search for the buddy. We have another, management view, which will allow you to remove buddies. That's semi-functional, but if you refresh, of course, it doesn't persist. And let's see. Then we have the buddy feed, and this is what we're really hoping to focus on to differentiate us, at least in the beginning, is just offering encouragement for folks that have completed tasks, or in this example, let's say that someone is struggling to complete a task. We also want to offer encouragement for that. So hopefully this video provides a a better overview of the web view that we're thinking of. And yeah, thanks for your time. Excuse me, I'm coughing from smoking here. Thanks for your time, and really appreciate you taking a look at all this. Really value your feedback and loving ADHD programmers as a subreddit. So, yeah,